inside the walls of PNC Arena, moments away from game number 3 of this best-of-7 series. The Caniacs have been waiting 10 years for this. Goes hard, he knocks down Jacob Slavin. Nicholas Backstrom out in front from his knee. Ovechkin in a battle with Slavin. Wilson in front. Mrazek, 2 great saves on Backstrom. And the puck is underneath Peter Mrazek, who does a snow angel.
And what a look from Wilson to find Backstrom. Looking for another first goal of the hockey game, and he would have had it not been for the flexible, quick pad from Mrazek.
To the far point, Dmitry Orlov. Far corner, Nick Backstrom. Pass detected briefly by Stahl. Ovechkin cycles high. His shot kicked out by Mrazek. To a screen out in front. The screen from Tom Wilson. Ovechkin with a shot angled by Mrazek off his stick.
He wins the race back to the front of the net.
Ovechkin on the off wing in the Kane zone. He'll drag it. Send it across for Backstrom. Through the slot. Wilson turns. It goes off the stick of Lucas Wallmark out in front, as Wilson was losing his footing.
Boy, good job by the low centerman Wallmark fronting that, and that disrupted Wilson just enough.
Runs into the official, Eric Furlong. Now Burakovsky along the board, stopping and starting. He'll dart, hold on to it. His shot sealed off by Mrazek without rebound.
Can't tell if that puck hit Stevenson's stick and Mrazek is able to hold on.
Brooks Orpik, the hero of game 2 with the overtime winner. Juice fumbles in a turnover. Fogle taken down by Juice. They play on. Brock McGinn, low to high, fault from the point. Stopped, they score! It leaks through Holtby. Justin Falk from downtown brings the house down. Carolina off and running.
And I think Fogle will get this goal. Danny O'Halloran, excellent positioning to get to the interior himself and recognize that this puck was over the line before Juice recovered.
Well, it either went off the posterior side of Fogle or Juice. If it's Juice, it's Falk. Obviously, it's Fogle. Holtby says no, a dandy, as he slid across and a chance taken by Nino Niederreiter. To the near point, Lars Eller. He'll advance. Eller holding onto it, guarded by Fogle. Off a stick to the near point. Dmitry Orlov again for Eller. Eller inside, Bronner in front. Wilson mishit it. Kick save, Mrazek. The Canes get it out.
Warren Fogle, excellent recognition to come down and make a good legal stick play.
Washington winning the first 2 at home off the draw. Game 4 is Thursday night here. A 2-day breather after this. Now it's centered out in front. Available, a shot by Fogle, denied by Braden Holtby. Oshie's pass detected. Good back checking by Jordan Martinook. 13 seconds left in the first period of game number 3. Niskanen broken up. Dogged by McGinn in front. Here's a chance. Holtby said no. What a save on Jordan Martinook.
Pounding the puck from McGinn, using his skate, drifting away from the net. Holtby makes a super save. What an individual effort from McGinn.
On the Fogle goal. Now Niederreiter out of the corner, supported by Sebastian Aho. Niederreiter wrapped up by Nick Jensen. Brought along now, back to the net. A wrap chance by Niederreiter, denied by Braden Holtby. Soft pass interrupted by John Carlson, taken back by Jordan Martinook. He'll shift in, pull up, lay it back. Ben Riemsdyk turned out by Holtby. The rebound taken care of by Carlson. Connolly sends it back, picked off by Teuvo Teravainen. Carolina through center. Moving up on the play, Teravainen wide open through the slot. Oh, there's Fogle. They score! That's hockey, baby! What a goal! Tick-tack goal. 2-0, Carolina.
Aho with a beautiful pass. And on this night where the playoffs return to Raleigh, Warren Fogle is the guy that everybody has to be talking about.
Broken up by Orlov. The Canes barrel in, but Dmitry Orlov has the puck. Washington out to center. Pesce comes up hard on TJ Oshie, and down goes 77.
Finishes through the body. Beautiful hit. American on American.
The far point, Slavin dancing. Near point, Dougie Hamilton. Back for Slavin. He'll advance on Eller. Through the slot. Stahl. Hamilton. A shot. A goal! Dougie Hamilton! My goodness. 3-0. Carolina.
What a pass from Jordan Stahl. Leading Dougie Hamilton to the middle of the ice. And Fogle completely took away the eyes of Holtby to be beaten blocker high.
Dumped in by Sebastian Aho. Niederreiter to the far corner, terrifying it. There's Aho in the slot. He'll take it outside, back for Folk. His shot stopped, hung on to by Holtby. They touch it around. Carlson again to the near point for Backstrom. Carlson, Backstrom off a stick, defended by Aho. In front, a chance for Ovechkin. The first shot denied by Peter Mrazek.
First 10 minutes of the first period, it's been all Carolina since then.
Hamilton out to draw. His goals made it 3-0. Power play strike out to center. It's a breakaway. A chance again. Holtby says no on Fogel's opportunity for the hat trick.
Wow! What a pass by Falk. Falk or Hamilton? Oh, Falk. Poor Falk. It's been the Warren show. This puck settled down for him. He could have just added to it.
On the near wing on Orpik. He'll go deep with it. Orpik will break it up. 7 seconds left in the period. Not out. Held in. It's Aho. A handoff. Moving in. Slavin. 2 seconds left. Holtby says no at the horn. Overskated by Dmitry Orlov. Far corner Aho. Bernino Niederreiter along the boards. Orlov just bounces off of him. Terrifying and up top it goes. Aho shot off the pad of Holtby.
On the men in Greensboro.
A great professional, great friend, and he loves the Hurricanes. The outside, Ovechkin in front off Mrazek. A flinger and a stinger. He'll think about it. A winder blocked in front off his own man, Niederreiter. The Caps attempt to get it out. Great job by Niederreiter. They hounded it. They won the battle. They continue forward on the power play. Aho, terrified and turned out by Braden Holtby. Fogle has 2 goals tonight. He forges out in front. He's on it. He fans on it. Back to the near point, Slavin. Far point, Hamilton. Here it comes. They score! Dougie Hamilton with another bomb. And the Canes have a 4-0 lead.
Blows it by Holtby on the blocker side. Carolina might be onto something. Fogle's going to get another point.
Backstrom, button hooks, lays it back for Jensen, and it's carried out. It's a 2-on-1. Martinook with Hamilton. Backstrom is back. Martinook, a shot stopped by Holtby, and the Caps get to it. 4-0 Hurricanes. Team power play tonight is 2 for 3. 1 shot on the last one. The bullet, a steal by Aho, shot down by Holtby, just wide on the follow-up. Table terrifying and low to high. Walking the line, Justin Folk. The outside, terrifying. Aho at the goal line, off Holtby intentionally and all the way back for the Washington Capitals. Martinook going hard. And now it's carried in the zone. Again, straight in, he scores!
And Brock McGinn goes bar in, and that's back bar in. The Caniacs get another treat, and boy, do they ever deserve it.
And the Caniacs, the majority, remain on their feet. Out to center. Moved along. Hamilton. Stick handles in. A backhander shut down by Braden Holtby. Final chance. Kuznetsov. He'll circle out in front off a body. Taken care of. That's all. Game 3 to Carolina. 4th career playoff shutout for Peter Mrazek in his 13th start. And the Washington Capitals will head off and think about this one as the Canes in resounding fashion defeat the defending Stanley Cup champions 5-0.